This is Santa Admin, and today I'm going to see meteorites, and I'm getting a cursed shotgun. But there's one condition. The admin will give me unbearable quests. I'll get to the meteorite temple, save all the children, and clear the ice castle. Guys, I worked really hard on this video, and I'm already recording the next one about the new update, so subscribe soon. Enjoy! Oh, here's my admin. Let's talk to him quickly and find out what he wants from me.
Hello, Gosh. I'm back in the game. I think you've already seen the new cursed update.
Actually, the update is corrupt.
And today, you will receive a secret curse weapon.
What kind of weapon?
With it, you can kill a wolf in one shot. But I have one condition for you. I will give you very difficult quests, and you will also save...
Easy, I can handle it.
Let's start simple. Just try to protect your base as best you can and stock up on supplies.
Okay. The admin gave me the first quest, and I'm lucky it's very easy. I just need to build good defenses for my base and stock up on supplies. Of course, I'll do it, but it won't be quick, since I want to build super defenses for myself so the cultists can't attack me. Watch this and check out the life hacks I'll give you. Wow! Is that a meteor shower? I wonder if this feature was already in the game, or was it added in the latest update? I haven't played this mode in a while, so please let me know in the comments. I'd love to read your comments, and I'll feature the most liked comment in my next video.
Okay, well done. You built a cool base today. Are you ready? Now you just need to save 3 children using your upgraded weapon.
I will do it. I spent a whole half hour searching because I set up the wrong protection for my base, and it turned out that the boxes covered the map where the children's locations are shown. I had to manually navigate the map and search for them without a single clue. Finding the second child was incredibly difficult, and I can't even imagine how or where I'll find the third. It will be incredibly difficult and time-consuming. Guys, give me a like for my efforts. So I was attacked by cultists. I was very lucky that I was prepared for this, and so I found more weapons and ammo than I needed in the first quest, so I would have extra gear to fight the cultists. And as you can see, I successfully defeat them. Actually, playing solo isn't that difficult. The main thing is that the admin quests are easier.
You didn't have time to complete all the quests, but it's okay. I'll give you another chance. We'll continue in the next episode.
Okay, I remembered that. Guys, unfortunately, I didn't manage to fit all the quests into one video, but don't worry. I've already recorded the second part and am editing it. It'll be out tomorrow. Give it a like.